Holy shit, one more time. It's fucking retarded.
Dude, those are some fucking air horns. Look at them, dude. Dude, look at the fucking pressure regulator in that bitch. Dude, look at that fucker.
It does, it really does.
Dude, have you actually looked at this thing?
I did. I had it on the lift first, and then Kid goes, "What is that?" I go, "I don't know. I never tried it." So last night I said, I talked to the customer.
Dude, the horn. Look where the horns come out. They wrap down. Look right there.
The guy said, "Whatever you do,
Oh,
don't
yeah,
blow
huh?
it inside."
Right up in there. That's cool.
I wonder what that meters.
Hit it again. Oh god, I'm scared.
Hit it again.
Oh god. That fucking hurts.
Dude, I love it.